Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raditya Ramadhani and I'm from Bina Sarana Informatika University Purwokerto, and this is a segment for English language too, and the computer is the time. Computer more than just a calculating machine. What is a computer? Computer definition is a electronic device designed to accept data, process it, and produce useful information. The development of the first generation of the computer from vacuum tubes around 1940 until now has entered the fifth generation. Computers have now developed rapidly. For example, there is artificial intelligence or AI, which makes life productivity easier in modern times. Computers have become central pillar of information civilization, transforming nearly every aspect of your life to become more connected, efficient, and information rich. This is big computer in 109 1940, and this is a computer now. So next, two main component of a computer. This is a hardware. What is a hardware? Hardware is all the physical component of a computer that can be seen and touched. This includes the electronic and mechanical parts to make up a computer system and carry out instruction from the software. Computer hardware part is 1. Central processing unit or CPU. 2. Random access memory or RAM. 3. Data storage, hard disk or SSD. 4. Motherboard. 5. Graphic card or GPU. 6. Power supply. 7. Input device, example keyboard and mouse. 8. Output device, example monitor and printer. Next, 3. Input device, information every point. What is input device? Input device are tools that allow user to enter data and command into a computer so that it can be processed. Example include keyboard, microphone. Common example of input device is a keyboard like this, 2 mouse like this, 3 touchpad like this, 4 microphone like this, 5 scanner like this, and webcam like this. So next, for output device, information every point is a input device is a tool that displays the result of the computer work to us, such as text, image, sound, or other physical form. Insert, it is a presenter or information from the computer to the user. Common example of the input device is a monitor, printer, speaker, projector, and earphone. 5. Connectivity and port. How important is connectivity? Connectivity is crucial because it allows computer to exchange data and research with other devices like printer, mobile phone, and other, and connect to network like internet or LAN. It opens the door to communication, information sharing, and access to various services, making it essential for the modern function of a computer. A computer, one is a USB, 2 HDMI, port language, for audio, for and Ethernet. Wireless connectivity technology is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So next, software. Software is a series of command program that tell computer hardware what to do in the order to perform certain tasks. You should say that software is the logical brain that control physical hardware. Main categories of a software are operating system and B application. Types of operating system or OS for computer in general like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS. 7. Data processing cycle. The data processing cycle is the basic flow of how a computer works, like input, process, output, and storage. In the data processing cycle, hardware provides physical tools for input, keyboard or mouse, and processing, CPU or RAM, and output like monitor and speaker, and the storage like HDD and SSD. Meanwhile, software provides instruction to the hardware on what to do at each stage of the cycle. The operating system is an important intermediary that allows software to interact with hardware effectively. And various use of computer in various fields. We now know that a computer has penetrated almost every aspect of life, including education, business, health, entertainment, and communication. Positive impact of computer use is efficiency and productivity. So next, communication, innovation and progress, and access to the information. Today, computers are the lifeblood of modern life, and tomorrow, increasing crucial role with AI, cloud, LUT, driving innovation and solving global challenges. The bottom line, not just a tool, but the fundamental infrastructure of a progress. Thanks. So, number 2 is STEM hardware, more than keyboard, button, and screen. For from me, Bina Sarana Informatika University Purwokerto, compiled by Raditya Ramadhani with name Y92419290. Why is understanding hardware computer is important? Well, I'll know that computers are no longer just device, but essential fundamental foundation that supports almost every aspect of the modern life, from communication to work to entertainment. Therefore, this presentation was created to understand the internal part of your computer and its function which has become part of your productivity in modern life. Number 1. CPU or Central Processing Unit, or computer brain, tasked with executing program instructions. It fetches, translates, and executes commands, and manages the basic operation of a computer system. In other words, the CPU is main control of processing center in computer. Some of the main computer of the CPU, number 1, control unit or SU, function to manage and coordinate all operations within the CPU and between the CPU all the other components like memory, input or output device. 2. Arithmetic and logic unit, perform mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logical operation on data. Number 3, register as well. High-speed memory stage location within the CPU register stores data that is being processed or will soon be processing by CPU, as well as the result of the operation. Number 2 is RAM or random access memory. Insert, the definition of RAM is high-speed temporary memory for storing data and instructions that currently being actively used by the computer. And brief, main function of RAM is provide fast data access to the CPU, improving system performance and responsiveness. based on double data rate SDRAM, DDR SDRAM has several generations DDR, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, and DDR5 with increasing speed and power efficiency in each generation. So this is piece of the RAM. So next, 3 hard disk. Hard disk or HDD and solid state drive or SSD. The basic difference between HDD and SSD are the following. HDD is a large capacity, affordable, slower, and physically vulnerable, and the SSD high speed, more durable, power efficient, and higher price per capacity. As HD and SSD function is number one, primary data storage serves as the primary storage media for various types of the data, including operating system, application, personal file. Data will remain stored even if the computer is turned off. Number 2, data backup, often used as external media storage to backup important data from the main device. So next is motherboard. Definition of the motherboard: the main circuit board of a computer that connect and interconnect all important components such as CPU, RAM, graphic card, and storage. Definition of the motherboard: main function of the motherboard is provide communication path and power distribution between components, as well as control the basic function of the computer system. And 5, graphic processing unit or GPU. The definition and the function: GPU short definition is a specifically processor designed to accelerate graphic rendering and parallel processing, and the function is generating and displaying visual like image, videos, and interface on the screen quickly and effectively, and accelerating parallel computing tasks in various fields. How the GPU connection to motherboard is a discrete. GPU separate connect to the motherboard via PCI interconnect express slot. This is a slot usually located near to the top. And 6, power supply or PCU. The main function of the PCU is to convert alternating current from the wall socket into direct current or DC with the appropriate voltage to the supply stable electrical power needed by various components in the computer. Ensuring proper PCU power supply unit power is essential for the several important reasons like system stability, optimal performance, and power efficiency. And fan cooler definition and the function from fan cooler is a component designed to remove excess heat generating by the computer internal component. And main function is prevent overheating, which can cause decreased performance, system instability or crash, and permanent damage to the hardware, and extend the life component. Type of cooling system: number 1, heatsink and fan, and water cooling. Thanks a lot. We have discussed the basic understanding of computer content, which is expert increase your digital literacy, making us smarter, more efficient, and more independent user in utilizing the technology that increasing dominate modern life. And that's from me. Thanks a lot. I'm Raditya Ramadhani, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.